Good morning, my dear friends. Today I'm going to university. And guess what? You're coming with me. Yes, the whole day together. I'll share my daily routine as a student, step by step. My day usually starts at 7 o'clock. Well, sometimes earlier, sometimes later. If I have an early class, I drag myself out of bed quickly. If not, I stay under the blanket for a few more minutes. Sometimes I want to stay in bed forever, but then I tell myself, "Come on, Emma, get up. You can do it." So first, I sit up on my bed, stretch my arms, stretch my legs, a big, big stretch. That feels good. Already I feel a little better. Next, I open the curtains. And wow! The sunlight jumps into my room. It kisses my face and says, "Wake up, Emma. A new day is waiting." That helps me feel fresh. After that, I go to the bathroom. I wash my face with cold water. Brrr. Now I'm awake. I look in the mirror and say, "Hello, Emma. New day, new smile." I brush my teeth. Brush, brush, brush. Up and down, side to side. Now my teeth feel clean. I feel fresh. Next, I take a quick shower. The warm water makes me happy. I even sing a little song in the shower. Do you sing in the shower too? Then I get dressed. Today I wear jeans and a t-shirt. Sometimes I wear smart clothes for class. But today I just want to feel comfortable. Now it's breakfast time. I go to the kitchen. I drink tea. I eat bread and eggs. Sometimes I have fruit, like an apple or a banana. Tasty. Breakfast gives me energy. After breakfast, I check my bag. Books, pens, notebooks, laptop, all ready. I don't want to forget anything. One time, I forgot my homework, so now I always double check. Finally, I put on my shoes. I take my phone, my keys, and my bag. I look in the mirror and smile. Okay, Emma, you are ready for university. I walk to the door. A new day begins. Now it's time to go to university. I step outside my house. The air is fresh. The sun is bright. Sometimes it's hot. Sometimes it's cool. I walk to the bus stop. Tap, tap, tap. My shoes make a sound on the street. I see people walking, children going to school, and cars passing by. The bus arrives. Beep, beep. I get on the bus. I say, "Good morning," to the driver. Then I sit near the window. I like looking outside. I see trees, shops, and people. Sometimes I see a dog running. Sometimes I see a man selling fruits. The bus is full of students. Some talk with friends. Some listen to music. Some look very sleepy. I smile because I feel the same. After 15 minutes, I arrive at the university. The campus is full of life. Students walk fast. Some drink coffee. Some talk and laugh. It feels busy but exciting. My first class starts at 9 o'clock. I go into the classroom. It is big. There are many chairs and tables. I sit near the front. I like sitting close. I can see the teacher. I can hear better. The teacher starts the lesson. I listen carefully. I take notes in my notebook. Sometimes the teacher talks fast. I write key words first. Later, I add more details. During the class, I feel focused. Sometimes I feel a little tired, but I try my best. Learning is important. After class, I meet my friend Sarah. "Hi, Emma. How was the class?" "It was good, but a little hard." "Yes, I think so too. The teacher talks fast." "I know. Sometimes I can't write everything down." "Me too. I miss some words." "Don't worry. Let's review together later." "Good idea. We can meet in the library." "Perfect. I also want to ask you about the homework." "Yes, I need help too." "Okay, after lunch we'll study together." "Deal." Then we go outside for a short break. We sit on a bench. We talk, we laugh, and we share stories. These little moments make university life fun. After my morning classes, it's time for lunch. I go to the cafeteria. It is busy and noisy. Many students stand in line for food. I buy rice with chicken and, of course, some juice. I sit with my friends. We eat, we talk, we laugh. Lunch is my favorite break of the day. After lunch, I go to the library. The library is quiet. Shh, no loud voices here. I find a table near the window. The light is soft. It helps me feel calm. I open my laptop. I read my notes. I search for information. Sometimes I read a big book. The words are not always easy, but I try step by step. While studying, I feel a little tired, so I take a short break. I drink tea. I eat a small snack, maybe a cookie. That gives me energy again. Later, I meet Sarah in the library. Hi, Sarah. Did you finish the homework? Not yet. It's difficult. Yes, I agree. The teacher gave us so many questions. I know, and some words are hard to understand. Let's do it together. We can help each other. Yes, good idea. Studying is easier with a friend. Okay, I'll explain the first question. Then you can explain the next one. Deal. And maybe we can share notes too. Perfect. Working together makes it faster. And more fun. Yes, more fun, less stress. So we study together. We read, we write, we ask each other questions. We help each other learn. After studying in the library, I feel a little tired. The sun is going down. It's time to go home. I take the bus again. The sky looks beautiful. Orange, pink, and purple. I watch from the window and smile. A long day is almost finished. When I arrive home, I take off my shoes. That feels good. I sit on the sofa and rest for a few minutes. In the evening, I usually help in the kitchen. Sometimes I cook rice. Sometimes I make salad. Cooking makes me happy. Then I have dinner with my family. We sit together at the table. We eat, we talk, we laugh. Dinner time feels warm and nice. After dinner, I clean up. Then I open my notebook. I check my homework. I review my lessons from the day. Sometimes it's easy. Sometimes it's hard. But step by step, I learn more. Later, I relax. I watch a TV show, or I listen to music. Sometimes I chat with my friends on the phone. These small things make me feel calm. At night, I feel sleepy again. My body says, "Rest, Emma, rest." First, I take a shower. The warm water makes me relax. I feel clean. I feel ready for sleep. Then I put on my pajamas. Soft, warm, and comfortable. I love pajamas. Before bed, I like to read a little. Sometimes it's a book. Sometimes it's notes from class. Reading helps me feel calm. I also check my phone. I send a message to my friend. Good night. See you tomorrow. Finally, I turn off the light. I close my eyes. I whisper, "Thank you for today." Then I fall asleep. And that's my daily routine as a university student. Morning, afternoon, evening, and night. Now it's your turn. What is your daily routine? Write it in the comments. I really want to read about your day. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. Thank you for spending the day with me. See you next time, my friends. Keep smiling and keep learning English. Good night.